Hello. So, who else loves rice like me? I am a totally rice eater. I can eat rice 4 times a day. I don't mind. So, today I had this steaming plate of rice with some leftover chicken dry fry for breakfast. If you haven't tried, try it. It sets the tone for the amazing day. Then after coming back from work, I didn't had any energy left, so I didn't cook anything. I made up this instant Maggie noodles and enjoyed with some crisp. Currently, it's very sunny in UK, so after enduring this freezing temperature of -4 degrees during my university days, even this 20 degrees is so scorching to me. So I turned on the fan and enjoyed for a while watching movie. And then for dinner, I made a comforting bowl of khichdi prepared with various vegetables and then, of course, topped up with ghee. So now you might find it strange, but in Indian culture, eating with our hands enhances the heavenly flavors of the food. Since I had dinner early, I was hungry at midnight, so I had this fried rice that did.